hazard routes.
Yo, it's traveled so far back.
I'm injured. Hi, cuteness. I got that on video.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Is that the state next to Vermont, New Hampshire?
I know New York is.
Cause you know, this Vermont looks like this, right? It's like a half like a triangle looking thing, and
Yeah,
then
I
there's
know
that
what
other
Vermont
state
looks
that
like.
like smacks right next to it.
Yeah.
What's that state?
I don't think it's New Hampshire. New Hampshire's small, I'm pretty sure.
So it probably might be Maine.
Vermont is not next to Maine. I can tell you that much.
So what's the state that's next
Vermont
to it?
is like here and Maine is like here.
Did you spray my neck?
Yes, I did.
What's the state that's next to it?
Take geography. Way more than that. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait till you see yourself like while you do that.
Yo, I'm tired. Like, why am I wasting my energy on it? We got enough footage. Moving on. Woo! Ready? One more. 3, 1, 2.
Good shot. All right, from behind the bed. You ready?
Yeah. We got a lot of rust paint, some cool thingies. We're gonna spray the whole thing and rubberize the roof because we got some leaks. Let's go. The door closed.
Don't ask me to have scissors. All right.
Our hole is still there. It should work.
Yes. Solid. Solid.
Killed it. You got starting some propane?
You got it too. Okay. We are sound deadening.
And so far it seems pretty easy.
She says it's kind of idiot proof.
Yeah, I mean, like, is this it? And then you just roll it on? Okay, we ordered it. Okay, we ordered it and it didn't come with instructions. So I went on like the Amazon, you know, like link, I guess you could say, like the Amazon link. And I was hoping maybe there's like a video or like whatever. In the picture it says that the instructions are supposed to come like right on top, but they're not. And there's no video. So I'm doing this and it's It's really thin, which I like.
Let's see if it works. It's supposed to like.
Wait, do it again. We'll bang over here.
It's supposed to be like less airy.
Yeah, bang over here. It's definitely less.
Yeah, I hear it. Alright.
Woo! put our floors in.